Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel and to my life in Ireland. This is my living room and I'm in Ireland to do a course in digital marketing, a master's program, and I came to Ireland about 6 months ago, and since then I haven't really had the time to make a video because finding a house, getting to know the place and everything has been really stressful. And once my course started, there were assignments, and there still are, but it's Easter break right now, so I have a little time on hand to make a video. And today I'm gonna do a haul, a birthday haul. My birthday was about a week and a half ago, and I gifted myself few things and I received a few gifts, so I wanted to share all of them with you guys. Let's begin with my birthday haul. So the first thing that I gifted myself was this makeup from Estee Lauder. The first thing that I got myself is makeup from Estee Lauder, and I got myself a foundation, their double wear range, which is one of their best, and it's really amazing. It's waterproof and stays in place. It keeps raining in Galway all the time, and when I go out with this on my face, it doesn't really mess my face up because it's waterproof and it stays for about 12 hours, and it provides full coverage and is really amazing. A little bit on the expensive side, but it's worth the investment if you're looking for a really nice makeup range. I also got myself their concealer from the same double wear range, and also their compact, which is really a very sophisticated looking packaging, and it's also got a sponge like thingy that you can apply with, and mirror and everything, because it's just so easy to carry with yourself when you're out, and I've used it, so that explains the condition of this. The best part was I got all of this from Boots, and I told them that it was my birthday and I'm looking for something really nice, and I'm looking for something that's worth the investment. I got all of my makeup products from Boots, and I told them it was my birthday, and so they gave me this eye makeup remover and also this mascara and a primer for free, and this costs about €100 in itself, and it was such an amazing investment because the free gifts just made me feel a little more special. And then I had a look at this online on their website, which I was so tempted to get because this is a create and transform eye, lip and face palette from Smashbox, and it was for about €80, which went down to 28, and on student discount I got it for 25. So I feel like it's an amazing investment with it's got 10 eyeshadows, and then there are these transformers and blushes. Sorry, these are cheek shades, and also contour and cheek shades and lipsticks. So transformers are something that if you don't like any of these shades from above, you can mix them with these and create a whole new look. And I feel like this is such an amazing bargain for like 80 down to 25. Who would not get it? And I also really love this palette because it's really compact, and I can fold it and put it in my bag and carry it wherever I want. And they're also, if I just want to like carry the lipstick with myself and not the entire palette, I can just pop this out and take the one palette with me. So I haven't used this yet, and I was waiting to show you guys this purchase before I start using it, and I can't wait to try on the shades because they're all so amazing. I especially really love this one right here. I think it's called Armor, and I also love the one beside it. It's called So Spicy for the eyes, and for the lips definitely this one because it's just me red rage and witchy, I feel like. And with student life, I feel like there's so much that comes in, especially when you're in a different country, to go out, meet new people, to socialize. We usually have so many international student events, and there's so much going on all the time. There's a bar in the university, and we all of our courses, all of the different courses that NUI has, all of our classes get over in the morning, and by evening, like I think evenings are the only time that we students have free. It's a really nice time to catch up with friends and to go out with people, and especially the weekends are like this one time when people just put everything aside, all of the assignments, all of the work that they've been doing, the part-time schedules, the roster, everything's aside, and people just want to have fun. So they go out clubbing and to have a good time, and I go out myself a couple of times. I feel like this palette is gonna be really handy for me the next time I go out, because when I came from India, I really didn't have any makeup with me. Now the next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is the most special gift that I received on my birthday, and this was from my course administrator at NUI. She was generous enough to give me this NUI t-shirt in navy blue, and I'd been meaning to buy myself a hoodie or a t-shirt towards the end of the course, but she just popped into my workplace, and while I was on my break, just left the parcel beside me, and she said, "This is for you on your birthday." And she's just such an amazing woman. She's always there, and she's always accessible anytime I have any trouble understanding any of the modules. If I have any issues at all, she's always there. This is something really important for students who have left their home and their family back in a different country, who've put their trust in a university, and I think this is something really important for all of us. The next thing that I'm going to show you guys is a gift from my housemates to me. I live with 5 other people, and they're really sweet and special. They're 3 boys and 2 girls, and they gave me this beautiful black dress for my birthday. It's from New Look in a size 6, and I don't really own anything of this sort, so it's a nice addition. Everyone needs a little black dress in their wardrobe, and I didn't really have one. I really love this one, and I feel like it is perfect for a night out, and I'm actually planning to wear this today in the evening because we have a dinner at a mutual friend's house, and I feel like it's perfect for the occasion. And I would also like to say thanks to Nadia especially and Sanjeev, because they are the people who took the time to go and pick this out for me. And Nadia is really an amazing woman, and she understood exactly what I would like, and it's kind of special. It's a special feeling when you realize that the people you've been living with for the past 6 months have begun to understand you, and they know what your choice and your preferences are. And when they gave me the dress, I felt emotional, because I felt like they've started to really know the person I am. And thank you so much, my housemates, for this. Thank you. This is the next thing I got for myself, and I got this out of all of the points that I had collected while shopping at Boots, and this is Working Hands hand cream for extremely dry and cracked hands, and it's got a really nice consistency, and it's really you need a really tiny amount, and that will actually do the work for you. You don't have to use a lot, and it's fragrance free, and my hands have become extremely dry after I came to Ireland. Maybe it's because of the weather, or I don't know, maybe my diet has changed. This guarantees relief, and it's a lot of people have been raving about it in the magazines and online, so I decided to give this a try, and so far I'm loving it, but haven't really seen any change because it's not been long since I purchased this, but I hope it gives me the results that it promises to. When I go for shopping, I have a really bad problem because I can never decide what I really want to buy, and when I can't decide, I'll just get all of the things and then keep going back to the store to return them. Out of all of these experiences in the shops in Ireland, I actually happen to have a 10 euro worth of credit note with me, which I decided to use for my birthday, and I decided to get myself a bikini. And this I got for like literally 8 euro, and I love the color, so I couldn't stop myself from buying it. And soon it's gonna be summer, and it's already started to, like, the sun has started coming out, and it's becoming kind of warm a little bit, and we have plans to go to the beach someday. Now, we've been planning for ages, but it still hasn't materialized into anything. But yeah, when we do, I have my outfit ready and sorted. Next thing I got myself is again a garment, and I got this shirt from Pennies for literally 3 euro because it was on sale, and I couldn't stop myself from getting this shirt because I really do not have many formal clothes, and we have a truckload of presentations to do, and every time I have a presentation I'm confused about what to wear, and I really needed to buy myself a blazer but didn't really find anything that I liked, so instead I got this because it was cheap and it fits well, so I decided to purchase this. It's actually from the kids section, 12 to 13 years old. It's really nice and comfortable. The last thing I got myself is a pair of jeans from New Look, and it's high-waisted, and it's got this ripped style around the ankles, and it's high-waisted. It's an amazing fit. It's in a size 6. The color is something that I didn't really have, and it's kind of a nice acid wash, light bluey color, and it was on sale. I got it for like 14 euro. That was all of the stuff that I got for my birthday, and I hope you guys enjoyed them just as much as I did. It was my first birthday outside of India, away from my family, and I really enjoyed each and every single moment of my birthday week, and it's something I'm gonna remember and cherish for the rest of my life. I hope you guys enjoyed my presents just as much as I did. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share and comment, and let me know which is your favorite birthday gift out of all of the stuff that I showed you guys. Check the space out for my previous videos. I've actually kind of forgotten where they go, but I will link them up somewhere. And I've been meaning to do more videos actually, really, and I wanted to do one about my life in Ireland, about my life at NUI. I really wanted to show you guys my beautiful house in Knocknacara, and I really haven't had the time to do so, but I promise to make one soon. And if you guys want to keep up with my videos, hit the subscribe button, and I promise to come up with something new soon. Until then, bye!